Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it, and here scroll down a little bit to find the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the screen timeout option, and as you can see, after entering we've got more options from which we can choose. So we've got 15 or 30 seconds, and those options are relatively short, I would say, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What is more, we can set never, which simply means that your device will never black out. So let me pick, for example, 10 minutes. Basically just tap on the option like to use, it will be marked, and after getting back you can see that it will be immediately applied. It is notified right here. So it simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out, of course in my case. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.